Moving at a fast pace, yet the scenery's still the same. It's all good.
What up, YouTube world, Facebook land, and the mighty Twitter nation? It's your boy, The Run, BKA, the Big Step Benny, aka the Running Rage of Nature, one half of the super duper ultra group Cerebral Resurrection. Yeah, your boy just getting off work. Better head to my brother Kid Fly's house to check out the Super Bowl. But before I go out this stop, I'll drop a line to tell y'all that I appreciate y'all for checking out our first video, Cerebral Resurrections Overcoming. No, it's not. It's Cerebral Resurrections Daily Choices (parentheses Overcoming Adversity), featuring the lovely Ayana Gabriella, aka BKA, I should say, AI Gabby, if I said that right. For those who haven't, the links down below. Check it out if y'all get through checking this video out, and tell us what you think about it. Leave a comment down here on our YouTube pages and all that. And for all those who left comments on our Facebook pages and all that, leave a comment down here on our YouTube pages. Hit that like button. We try to get more traffic to come down to our YouTube pages and all that. If you're on YouTube, subscribe. Go ahead, subscribe. We're gonna try to put more material on here. So y'all just want to subscribe to an empty channel with nothing on there. So we're gonna try to put more material on there. But just subscribe to it and all that. I mean, for the responses we get, we think we can do something with this. So we're gonna try to pursue this and put out more material for y'all. Check out, like, for y'all to check it out. Got a couple of things for y'all. First thing, if y'all haven't yet, check out my brother, Kid Fly's Mind the Kid mixtape. For those who haven't, the links down below. Y'all give it a listen to. If you like it, download it, share it, let other folks know about it. He also does the graphic arts, Cool Kid Graphics. That link's down below as well. So go on the pages, check it out. He does flyers, album covers, clothing. He trying to get his entrepreneur thing going on. So get that a look at. Also, my young proteges, Reverb Nation page, Tony Fly, young producer, up and coming. Check out some of his tracks. Me and him will be doing the project. Also got a song coming. So check that out. He's trying to get his thing going on. Check that out. Also, my brother Quakes, he's the owner of the Hot Spots in the Wolf Chase Mall and the Oak Court Mall. Yeah, his link down below. He does airbrushing. Check that link out. I mean, him and his people, they do everything as far as the airbrush thing going on. If you got t-shirts you want to get done, you got flyers, motorcycle helmets, so on and so forth. Check out his page. I think y'all be pleased with some of the work they've been doing. What else? Yeah, we're still working on Cerebral Resurrection. We're still working on the album, the project. We should have another single coming to y'all by either the spring or the summertime. Keep your eyes out for that. So that should hit y'all by that time. Check us out on SoundCloud and other things coming. I just got a whole bunch of links down there, so y'all just check that out down there. But other than that, I'm finna get back out here to the sun. The thing's about to disappear. Well, finna get back out here and enjoy the rest of the sun. Just once again, thank y'all. We appreciate y'all taking time out of your day. Check out our videos and all that. And for those who haven't, share. Let other people know about us and all that. We want to touch the world. We want everybody else to see what Cerebral Resurrection is all about. And we just want to work with other artists and put them out as well. For those who got a passion for doing this. But once again, thank y'all. Catch y'all later. God bless. And out there.